Now we are going to discuss about experimental evaluation of smart electric meters reliance under cyber security attacks. Main objective of our project is to detect or predict the cyber attack which is occurred in smart meters. So by using different classification algorithms such as machine learning and deep learning to combat cyber threats in the smart grid, an intrusion detection system can be integrated into the advanced metering infrastructure. Anomaly-based intrusion detection can detect even the tiniest changes in the parameter under investigation, whereas signature-based intrusion detection only recognizes known attacks. The growing usage of smart grids necessitates the classification, identification, and implementation of countermeasures to threats. Smart meter technology is a key component of the advanced metering infrastructure that will help the smart grid link the two-way flow of electricity with the two-way flow of information. The system is developed the different machine learning and deep learning algorithms for predicting the cyber attack or not in power system efficiently. Then the experimental result shows that some performance metrics. So this is the overview of our project. Then we are going to discuss about demo of our project. We are run our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. So this is the first one. So here display some sample of our data set. The second module missing values. So the 0 indicates there is a no missing values in our data set. Next, label encoding. So we need to these are the strings which is present in our data set. So we need to convert these strings into numeric integer value. Then the feature extraction, that is the principal component analysis. So our original features is a 128, and after applied the PCA, so we can reduce the features count is 120. Then data splitting. So here we can split the whole data into test and train. Majority of the data is present in training part and smaller portion of the data is present in testing part. And this is the result for SVM. There's some performance and confusion matrix. Then ROC curve. So similarly, so result for isolation forest and hybridization. Then finally CNN 1D. So this is the result for CNN 1D. Then finally it is a comparison graph for above mentioned algorithms. Then finally prediction. So here we can predict for a sample of 5 test data, and finally we estimate total number of attack and total number of normal data. So this is the output of our project. Thank you.